So hey guys, today I'm going to show you my apartment here in Sofia, and by the end of this video you'll get all the tips and tricks to get the best apartment in Sofia. So come on in. So here's the hallway, and on your way in you can either get the lift or the stairs. Let me show you the lift. So this is the lift up to our apartment, and today we're going to take the stairs, so let's go. My apartment is on the second floor, which is really convenient for me, so come on. So here we are at my apartment door. Here I have a telecom, which is really good for me, and there's a camera on there. So when I'm inside, I can see whoever wants to at my door, and yeah. So here we are right outside my apartment, and I'm going to show you inside. Come on. Here's my hallway, and we'll take you into the living room. Here's my living area. So here is my kitchen, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of all the things that I got. So this is my fridge and freezer, which is really good and useful. It's so spacious, and this came in my apartment actually, so that was really good. And over here I've got my kettle, my microwave, and my air fryer. I actually really love this air fryer. It actually came in my apartment, and honestly I need my air fryer for when I'm cooking stuff. Just throw some stuff in there and turn it on, and that is really, really good. And then over here I've got my cooker where I can make eggs and things and quick foods. And here's my oven as well. And this also pulls out, by the way, and the light comes on. So whenever you're cooking in the evening and it's dark, that's really handy. And there's lots of room of storage up here and down here, so I never really run out of space. So that's really good. So over here is my living area. So this is really convenient, right next to the kitchen. I don't need to go to a different room or anything. And here's where we literally chill and watch TV. There's me and my roommate that live here. So that is really good. She's literally my best friend, so we always crash on here. Some nights we just fall asleep here, and it is so good. And then I've got my air conditioning, which is so good in this heat, because Sofia is so much more warmer than England. And Sofia temperatures can reach sometimes 35, 40 degrees, so which is a lot more than you'd see in England. So that's always on. It's actually on as we speak as well. So over here we've got the dining area. Here is where all the hard work and long hours of studying happens. So here we've got my dental books, physics and chemistry, and we've also got Latin there as well. So as you can see, I've got 3 computers here because me and my friend, we study really hard. And here's my Latin book, because you will learn Latin whether you're medicine or dentistry. And Latin is actually really easy. You learn that as you go, and that's really good. And then I've also got cytology here. These come as notes that you can buy, and this is really helpful. Sometimes you don't even need to go through PowerPoints and lecture slides, so that's really helpful. So this is literally our studying station. And you can also ask your iGeneration for an apartment, and they can provide one for you according to your budget and your expertise and your needs. This table also expands, by the way. So if I want to open that up, and sometimes my friends come over and we do like really big group study sessions, so that is really, really helpful. So yeah, and then over here I've got my balcony. So as you can see, my balcony is really beautiful, especially on a warm day. So come on in. So here's my balcony, and it's really nice here. Sometimes after you're studying, you just want to come out for some fresh air and just, you know, have a quick breather. And as you can see there, is Vitosha Mountain, and that is really good. People go skiing up there, and in the winters that is completely white, which is so beautiful to see. So it's really nice to hang out here and just look at the city. So yeah.